So in this video, you'll learn how to change the theme on the BlueSky app. So whether you're using an iPhone, you're using a tablet, or even an Android phone, these instructions should apply. So the first step is to launch the BlueSky app. And then from here, once it's launched, you want to tap on the hamburger icon in the top left corner, like that. And then in this menu, you want to select Settings. Under Settings, you want to select Appearance. Then at the top, you should see this option labeled Color Mode. So currently it's set to light, which means that the app itself is in light mode or in the light theme option. So if I want to change it, I can choose to go to dark. Again, the app will adjust and it will switch to dark. And then if you've selected dark, you should see two options. You have dim and completely dark. So this will now adjust the darkness of the screen to whatever one you prefer to use. Alternatively, you can always choose system. And if you have dark mode turning on your system automatically when it reaches a certain point, then the app will also adjust based on the system settings. So it's up to you to decide which option you prefer to use. And once you've selected it, you can now exit the settings section and continue using BlueSky. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.